In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an invoice in Zoho Books with additional charges step by step. This is extremely useful if you need to bill a customer for multiple things on the same invoice, such as a product, a service fee, an installation charge, or any other additional cost. Instead of creating separate invoices, Zoho Books allows you to add multiple line items so everything is clearly organized for your customer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a professional invoice and include extra charges the correct way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into Zoho Books and get started. The first thing you need to do is open Zoho Books and go to your main dashboard. Once you're inside your Zoho Books account, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see different sections like Home, Items, Sales, Purchases, and more. To create an invoice, click on the Sales section. When the Sales menu expands, select Invoices. This will open the Invoice Management page where you can see all the invoices you've created before. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Go ahead and click on the New button to start creating a brand new invoice. Now you'll be taken to the Invoice Creation screen. The first thing you need to choose is the customer you want to invoice. Look for the Customer Name field and click the drop-down menu. From here, you can select an existing customer from your list. If the customer is new, you can also create a new contact directly from this section. Once the customer is selected, Zoho Books will automatically fill in any saved billing information for that customer, which helps speed up the invoicing process. After that, you can review other details like the invoice date, payment terms, and invoice number to make sure everything is correct. Next, we're going to add the main item or service that you're charging for. In the Item Details section, click inside the Item field and select the product or service you want to bill. If you've already created items in Zoho Books, they will appear in the drop-down list. Once you choose an item, the description, rate, and other details may automatically populate depending on how the item was set up. You can adjust the quantity or price if needed. This first line usually represents the main product or service you're providing to the customer. Now let's add additional charges to the invoice. This is where Zoho Books becomes very powerful. To add another charge, such as an installation fee, delivery cost, or service charge, simply click on the option to add another line item. A new row will appear in the invoice. In this new line, you can select another item or type the name of the charge, such as installation fee, setup charge, or service fee. Then move to the rate field and enter the price for that specific charge. You can repeat this process to add as many charges as needed. Each charge will appear as its own line on the invoice, so the customer clearly understands what they are paying for. This keeps your invoices transparent and professional, while also helping you track revenue properly in your accounting records. After adding all the charges, quickly review the total section to make sure everything looks correct. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the subtotal, taxes applicable, and the final total amount due. If you need to add notes, payment instructions, or terms and conditions, you can also include those in the notes section of the invoice. Once everything looks good, go to the top or bottom of the invoice page and click Save. After saving, you can choose to send the invoice directly to your customer through email from inside Zoho Books. This makes the process quick and professional without needing any additional tools. And that's how you make an invoice in Zoho Books with multiple charges included. As you can see, using line items makes it easy to add service fees, installation charges, or any other extra cost while keeping everything organized on one invoice. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.